Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL keyboard and I'm going to show you how can you easily link it with your PC Windows app. At first we have to open our application by opening SteelSeries GG. Now we can log into our account by clicking on I have a SteelSeries account, but we don't have to by clicking I don't have a SteelSeries account. Here we can register or skip this step for now. Now we can click continue anyway. And now, as you can see, our app automatically detected that we have our Apex Pro TKL keyboard. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye!